Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a small little makeup haul. I got a few things over the past week and I wanted to share with you guys what I got. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So I have a few things from Colourpop, TJ Maxx, and Sephora. It's nothing crazy. It's just, you know, when you go to TJ Maxx and for no reason you just end up buying a bunch of stuff that you don't really need, but good deals regardless. Anyway, so I guess I'll start off with the things that I got from Colourpop because that is where I ordered the most. So I placed an order because they had like a 50% off kind of sale, not the whole website, but they had certain items that were 50% off, and there were some things that I kind of wanted to try. The main thing that I wanted to try was their shimmering dry oil. I've been wanting to try this since literally the second it came out, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's just super cute. It says Soul. It's very like nice nude. I got the shade Soft Gold, and it's the shimmering dry oil like I mentioned. And this was on sale for about like $7, so obviously I had to get it. And it smells like coconuts. Being on a tropical vacation, I can't wait for, you know, this whole thing to be over so I can take a tropical vacation. And it's so pretty on the skin. I kind of had it on, no, you can't tell. I kind of had it on earlier, but now I'm wearing this hoodie and you can't see it. Also, my foundation, I don't know like what is going on, but my foundation looks really weird today. Like the color just doesn't, anyway, I'm rambling. So yeah, I got this. It smells like coconuts. I got it mostly because I really want the Tom Ford one, but the Tom Ford one is about $100 for the bottle. So I just can't see myself forking that much money. So for now, Colourpop it is. And plus it does like the same thing. It's really pretty. Shimmering oil for the skin. It just looks so nice when you're like out at the beach laying out and you're like glistening from within. I don't know. Anyway, to go with that, I ended up getting a body Kabuki brush. So this is kind of what you use to put it on. Obviously you don't need this, you can just use your fingers, but I figured since it was also on sale, I went ahead and got it. So this is the one that I got, and yeah, you just kind of use it to buff in the dry oil. And I just think this is like so cute. Like it's just so aesthetically pleasing, like just sitting on like your vanity. I think it's so cute. So, and then I also picked up a blush. This is the Disney Mulan collection. This blush was the only one that was on sale. I think they have like two, but for whatever reason, this one was the only one that was on sale. So it's in the shade Matchmaker, and I'm actually wearing it on my cheeks right now, even though it's kind of hard to tell. But the packaging is so cute. It's got like the Disney Mulan, and then you open it up and this is what it looks like. It's a very more like brown nude color. I love these types of colors. Like I don't mind a coral hot pink blush every now and then, but this is like what I gravitate to the most because I don't like to look like I have a lot of blush on, if that makes sense. Like I don't mind it now and then, like I said, but for day to day, every day, just something a little bit more subtle, more natural is definitely my go-to. And it's got a little bit of a gold sheen in it. You can't really tell, but yeah, and then it's got like the cute little flower imprinted in it, and the packaging also comes with the mirror, which is very nice. If I can find any of these things, I will be sure to link them down below. Colourpop is it's already an affordable brand, and they always have like sales. I feel like I'm always getting emails about them like having a sale, so don't be sad if you can't get these things for 50% off anymore. Just wait for a sale. Like their stuff is always on sale. Okay, and then from Colourpop I also picked up this little set of lip liners. I have so many lip liners. So these are their Lippy Pencils, and I think these are part of a collection because they come in this super cute floral like packaging. So the shades that I got are Petal Please, So Happy, and then I got Field Day. Okay, so this is So Happy, which is a lighter nude, and I'll go ahead and swatch it. So that's it right there. Very nice. So I love the Colourpop Lippy Pencils, have one of the best formulas out there for lip liners. The next one is Field Day, which I think is the one I have on my lips. No. Here's Field Day. It's kind of more of like a, I don't know, like terracotta nude. Okay, and then I have Petal Please, which, yeah, Petal Please is what I'm wearing on my lips currently. I outlined it with Petal Please, and then I have the Frankie Rose lipstick in the shade Apricot, which is a pinky nude lipstick. So I'm gonna swatch Petal Please. It's a darker kind of lip liner, and then this is the Frankie Rose. So I combined these two, and that is what I'm wearing on my lips. I hear jingles, hang on. These were not on sale, so I paid full price for these, but that's okay because I think they were each like $5. So super affordable. It's not like I broke the bank buying those. So that is all that I got from Colourpop actually. So yeah, kind of a small haul, but like I said, stuff was on sale and I couldn't help myself. Okay, moving on from TJ Maxx, I'll show you what I got there. I got 3 things. And so the first thing that I got was the Laura Mercier eyebrow pencil in the shade Rich Brunette. And this is legitimately a pencil, like it came with a sharpener, so you actually have to sharpen it. But the cool thing is that it actually comes with a spoolie on one end. So that's really nice. And then the pencil, I tried it out on my eyebrow today. I'm wearing it on this side, not on this side. I mean, kind of, but not as much. I ended up testing out a new product, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. So that's why my eyebrows are like 2 different shades, in case you noticed that. And it was such a good deal. It was only $5.99. So obviously I had to get it to try it because I've never tried Laura Mercier's eyebrow pencils. So super happy that I found that. All right, next up, I picked up the Sephora Super Hydrant or Super Matte Moisturizer. So I have oily skin, and as much as I love a good like glowy product, a good highlight, I don't like to be oily. And it's a Sephora brand, which I've seen at TJ Maxx before, but not as much as like I do other brands. Hopefully it's good. If not, then it's okay. It was only $4.99. It's, again, not that serious if I hate it, but I really hope I don't hate it. Hopefully I like it. Okay, moving on to the last thing I got at TJ Maxx. I got the Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream. I actually have been on the market for a new eye cream because the one that I use right now, although I really like it, it's the It Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream. Although I really like it, I just feel like I wanted to try something else because I've been using that eye cream for like 2-3 years now. And it was time to like switch it up a bit. So I found this one. It was only $7.99. I don't know anything about it, but I do know the brand Korres is pretty good. And this is what the packaging looks like. I'm not a huge fan of the scent, the smell of roses, so I'm hoping this doesn't actually smell like roses, but I feel like it might. Oh no, it doesn't. Wow, that actually smells like very clean and fresh. That smells good. So what drew me to this was the vitamin C. I know that vitamin C has a lot of really great benefits for skin. I actually use the Mario Badescu vitamin C serum on my face every other day, and I love it. So I'm excited to use this under the eye. I hope it works well. We'll see. All right, moving right along. I got one thing from Sephora, and this is super exciting because I actually filmed a video on this. I will have it linked down below for you guys. This is the Anastasia Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. I have seen this all over TikTok, all over Instagram, and I was like, I need to buy it. I need to buy it. I need to buy it. I need to film a video on it. I need to test it out for myself. This is what it looks like. It's literally just what the packaging says. It's a pomade slash styling wax. I have it on my eyebrows right now. It kind of saves you from having to do the whole soap and water thing. So if you're into those types of brows where you like fluff your brows with soap and water, I think that you would really like this product. So if you want to check out that video, like I said, I'll link it down below for you guys to go and see that. But yeah, that is basically all that I have to show you guys in this haul. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching my video. If you're not subscribed, please do so. It would mean so much to me. And if you aren't following me on Instagram, please be sure to do that as well. I will have my Instagram handle right here. Give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I think that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.